Hello, this is Priscilla Batzell. I'm in Spring Hill, Florida at Expressionist Fluid Art Studio Gallery with a 16-inch by 20-inch gallery, excuse me, not gallery wrapped. It's pre-primed canvas. This is Waterlily. I'm a Colourarte affiliate. This is a Prizm pour, a new one. And I just did a painting I liked so much it inspired me to want to do another one. This is another new color. This is a Vivid Intense. I believe that's fuchsia. And I think I have, yes, some jasmine, which is a primary element. And I just remembered I meant to put some white down on the canvas, and it's not too late to do that. I think I will right now, in fact. Just Artist Loft mixed with a little bit of Floetrol and some GAC 800, usually 25%. And I am having issues with spinning turntable today. Doesn't matter where I put the white, it's going to coat some of the background and allow paint to flow in a few ways. And it's going to be so thin that the chances are it's going to dry out before I get to it. Which is okay. And not being able to see it is okay too. It worked in the last piece, so let's cross our fingers that it'll work again this time. It's going a lot further than I anticipated though. And more bottles are in my way by far. Okay. So that pretty much covered a lot of canvas. And I'm not sure I care what happens when I start. I'm going to go for some indigo violet. I'm going to try and tighten that thing that's supposed to be holding my turntable in place. I've got some Nebula Star. I'm going to try a little Nebula Star, which is a primary element. The indigo violet's a Prizm pour. I'm going to try it. What am I going to do with that paint right there? The only problem with using something to block the turntable is then I have to move it every time I want to make a stroke. I'm sort of counting on the white being weird. I know that sounds odd. Causing different background effects. I'm being called to Midnight Shadow, which I'm sure I lost that train of thought right there. Just disappeared. This is, in my opinion, this is just a start. I don't know where it's going to go, but I'm interested to see. I want something that will hold my turntable in place a little bit. That might help. Alright, I had a color in mind and it... never mind. Oh, and my shiny taffeta closed right up. Let's use it anyway. Let's just freely, willfully use colors, not knowing what they will do. I think it's a good idea to wipe that off though, before I hit the yellow with it. You know what? I want some sour lemon with orange crush too. I like keeping the color on my spatula and then scraping it off. Can't help it. I think that this is another new color, Hibiscus, and it's a Prizm pour. I'm going to use it with a little Periwinkle, which is a vivid, intense fluorescent. And I had out some Egyptian blue earlier, and I think I'm going to bring it out again. Only this time, instead of talking about bringing out the Frostbite, I'm going to bring it out. And get rid of that yellow someplace right here. I want some poinsettia. I don't know why. Poinsettia is another Prizm pour. You can find these colors listed underneath in the description underneath the video. It's time when it starts leaving little striped tracks, it's time to either switch spatulas or clean the one off you're using. Because there is Jo Sonja gloss varnish in the mix. I think it's time to try some orange. And I just got the call to Miami Magenta. And if I don't like where this goes, I'm going to do what I just did. And I did it not because I didn't like it. I did it because it was fun. And it was using a tongue depressor. I like that. I don't want to make mud. I'm already making mud. But it's pretty mud. So it's hard to stop making it. I've never tried to blend them all together. Maybe I'll do that. Maybe that's exactly what I should be doing. I think I want some more white. I think I'm going to use some of the French silk. If I can get any to come out. It seems like it's busy closing itself up. What have I got? I've got shiny taffeta, but I also have Tuscan Sun. And sour lemon is coming back into play. And no matter what this is, we will go on. I love Colourarte products. I am a Colourarte affiliate if I hadn't mentioned this time. You will find a 20% off Colourarte coupon code underneath the video. I think I want more orange, but maybe the orange I want is actually saffron. I hope I'm right. Oh, I just saw the carnation, pink carnation. I am having a ball. I definitely recommend getting all your colors out and using them. This is the pink carnation. I kind of like the white spot there, but I'm also not minding adding some white after. really tried to make the Artist Loft, if I didn't say that's Artist Loft with, I think I did, with CAC 800 and Floetrol. I really like this right now. I'm not sure where else I want to go with it. Maybe the Periwinkle's coming back into play. But I want some indigo violet too. Gonna have to check all my tops after this. I'm losing my daylight too. I didn't use any more of that Nebula Star, and I like how it looks. I like using it. This is an Oxo Omelette Turning Flip and Fold spatula by Good Grips, and you can find it on my Amazon link along with my 2 books, Because I Can and Unlimited Possibilities. This is sort of bugging me, and I think what it needs is more of a pale color, which at this point I think it's going to be the French silk again. Okay, and I had paint on my blade, which is usually pretty okay with me, and it was okay then too. What is that? That is something that does not belong. And now it's gone. And I'm really tempted to go ahead and use some of the white. Been a while. I have a brand new Facebook page. I don't know if I mentioned or not. I'm Priscilla Batzell /artist. Somebody did something that got me in trouble with Facebook, and it wasn't me, I promise you. And I lost all my contacts and my page back that started in around 2007. So if you see a friend request from me and you like what I do, please by all means join up. Looking for the jasmine. And I'm going to put it right on the blade, even though there's some paint on there. I'm not sure about any of that. So I'll just blend it in and see what I can... Oh, I was talking about the Nebula Star. And I've got the Egyptian blue in my hand. That's not the Nebula Star. I need to scrape my spatula off, I believe. I love the paint on my spatula. I know it's not a wise thing to do, but I love it. Alright, Nebula Star or white? Maybe we'll wipe this off and try both. I should really turn on another light too. I'm thinking the white before anything. I can always add the Nebula Star. I've got tongue depressor. Oh, I've got a piece. That's good. That's just what I need right there. I think I'll use my spatula first. It's just easier. First, I usually like to put it where I've seemingly accidentally left canvas showing, because sometimes I like that negative space. Not sure I like that. Jasmine will fix it. Jasmine will drown out almost anything. As long as I don't have any extra paint. I used a little black last time also. It was just a 14 by 14 inch canvas. I'd love to see some of these really large. It's just instinctual with me, whatever it is that works. I wish I could say that I can teach this to somebody, but I'm not sure that that's ever going to be the case. But I can hopefully inspire you to try some things that you wouldn't ordinarily try. I think I'm as close to being done as I want to be. Let's see what I've got for black. Oh, it all dried up. Darn. I thought that was my cell activator for a second, and it is. Darn. I need a different tongue depressor. I need to just move some colors with my stick. Even though there's residuals on there, they're kind of working. It helps if I use the right black. I'll just put some of that right down there on the dish and hope that it works. Okay, that's me telling you I have over 31 playlists, and they're organized by topic and genre also. So if you like a certain subject or a topic, just let me know and I will do my best to get you that playlist. It's not a problem for me. They're all easily accessible. Very, in fact. And I love sharing my playlists. And I think I'm just about done anyway. I don't know how much black it needs. I don't think it needs as much as I might be inclined to give it. Which is probably always true. I'd like to shimmer this at you, assuming it will go. So let me try and get up there. And it's kind of simple, but it was fun to do. It's very therapeutic. I love the colors. I think it's pretty balanced. I haven't spun it around to see or not. I have just enough time to take a picture before the sun is so gone that I can't use the light in my studio anymore. Alright, so it's kind of washed out under the light, but it's beautiful in person. I love you guys. Please give me a thumbs up. Thank you for liking my videos. I appreciate you sharing them and watching them longer. I sell my artwork and I give lessons at the house in Spring Hill, Florida. Don't forget my community board. I'll show you tomorrow's video at 2:15. Questions are welcome and encouraged. And I know I'm forgetting something important, but you're going to be gone in a second. Thank you. Thank you for the donations through PayPal link. And thank you for the memberships. If you join the membership, you have access to over 200 members only library. And what am I missing? Pinterest, Instagram, Twitter links. Everything's on my link tree. And don't forget to look for the Pixel Paint Designs coupon code for Australian Floetrol, Pebeo paints, Boom Gel. And then the Colourarte coupon code is 20%, and I'm an affiliate of both of those places, so it helps me if you shop them. Thank you for being here. I hope you come again at 2:15 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. I post 7 days a week still at this point in time. Whatever I'm forgetting is my email address is easpb and the word gallery spelled out at gmail.com.